nag-check-in na tayo ng flight para sa flight natin from Manila to Singapore. So lahat ng boarding passes hanggang makarating ng Prague i-issue na dito sa sa Manila. Tapos all the luggage will claim them sa sa pagdating na natin sa may Prague na airport. Hey mga kalaks! Welcome to another vlog. So today mga kalaks, nandito tayo sa NAIA Terminal 3 and it's another fly day for us. Today mga kalaks, we will be flying to Europe through Swiss Air, via Swiss Air. Ang ingay ni we will be flying to Europe via Swiss Airlines. Pero ang layover namin is Singapore tsaka Zurich, Switzerland. And if this is the first time kalaks that you visited my channel, please do consider subscribing and hit mo na rin yung notification bell para ma-update ka every time na may bago tayong video upload sa YouTube channel ko. Story time tayo mga kalaks. Sa immigration, medyo unti yung tao, pero sabi nun sa check-in counters ng Singapore Airlines, very nabawasan na yung dami ng tao as opposed dun sa mga nakaraang araw because of the holidays. Kaya yan, medyo unti na yung tao sa airport. Sa immigration naman, less than 3 minutes natapos na tayo dun sa immigration interview. Immigration officer interview natin. Ang tinanong lang sa atin, ang pinresent ko pala mga kalaks, the usual passport, visa, and the boarding pass. Tapos ang tinanong lang sa atin is purpose ng travel, tapos kung government employee. Other than that, wala nang ibang binusisi, wala nang ibang hininging documents. Tapos tinatakan na agad yung passport natin. Nandito tayo sa may Pags Lounge sa Terminal 3. Yung access natin dito is dahil sa aking RCBC na card, na credit card. So check nyo rin yung mga credit cards nyo. Alam ko yung Amex, yung BPI, correct me if I'm wrong. Tapos yung BPI, alam ko, sure ako na merong access yung credit card na yun. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong type ng credit cards. Yan mga kalaks, we're done na dito sa Pags na lounge. Hindi na tayo nakapag-vlog masyado sa loob dahil very limited yung oras. Actually, story time uli. Mga kalaks, totoo naman kasi, kaya naubos yung oras namin. Preoccupied kasi ako, kasi nga mga kalaks, nakasabay namin si Julia Montes sa si Coco Martin sa May Lounge. Ang mami ko, tawag nito, fan siya ni Coco talaga, tsaka ni Julia dun sa Probinsyano, tapos yung, ngayon nga yung Batang Quiapo. So nagpa-video greet kami. Hindi ko alam kung malalabas to before birthday ng mami ko kasi surprise yung video greeting. So yan, lalagay ko yung picture dito, nakipagpa-picture kami. Tapos nagsunuran na yung mga ibang tao. Yan yung reason mga kalaks, kaya wala tayong vlog ng Pags, wala tayong review. So next na lang na biyahe natin, i-review natin siya, okay? For now, papunta tayo sa boarding gate ng ating flight to Singapore. It's already 4 p.m. 4:05 yung boarding time, so we have 5 minutes. Maglakad papunta sa gate 111. Serve the in-flight meal mga kalaks. We got the chicken barbecue, tas may bread, butter, creamer, tapos may mango, I'm not sure, may tapioca, the salad, tas may water, and we got apple juice. So yan yung ating in-flight dinner dito sa Singapore Airlines. already landed the Changi Airport here in Singapore. Ngayon, hinahanap lang namin yung gate namin for our connecting flight from Singapore to Zurich, Switzerland. So sabi dun sa board, yung flight namin, it's LX177, will be departing at E24. So yan, hanapin natin. Ayan mga kalaks, nasa F53, 54 pa lang tayo. Hanapin natin yung E23, 24 yata. Kaya nga maghahanap pa kami. Mga kalaks, after mga 10 minutes na lakad, 10 to 15 minutes na kami naglalakad. Hindi pa rin namin nararating tong gate E24 kung saan kami sasakay ng aming next flight to Switzerland. Kaya kung may nanonood ng vlog mga kalaks na may layover sa Singapore or sa Changi Airport ng Singapore, be sure wag kayong kumuha siguro ng mga 1 hour 15 minutes lang. Baka sobrang narag kayo nun. Mamadali kayo talaga. Tapos wala ang problema pa mga kalaks. Sariling sikap. Ikaw maghahanap mismo ng terminal, hindi katulad sa sa ibang countries na kung may layover ka, may mag-a-assist sa'yo na this way, ganyan, or hahatid ka dun sa next sa next flight mo. Dito wala talaga. Yun mga kalaks, we're already at the boarding gate ng aming flight from Singapore to Zurich. Ito yung sa lahat ng leg ng flight, ito yung pinakamahaba. I think para mga 13 hours may get yung flight natin from Singapore to Zurich, Switzerland. Ang plane na gagamitin namin for this flight is Swiss Air pa din, kanina Singapore Airlines, pero sila, code share sila ng Swiss Air. So yan, kalalagpas lang namin, may another security check from arrival area papasok dito sa boarding gate ulit. So balikan ko kayo pagdating natin sa Switzerland.
Or the emergency exits. Small items such as tablets and mobile phones must be safely secured in the passenger's hand or stowed away. Is located under
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
be stowed away safely during taxi.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Immediately if your electronic device
Baby, you
gets damaged.
give me
I'd like to
midnight.
remind you that only alcohol served by the
You whip up my appetite.
alcohol
Don't leave me here high and dry.
consumed.
Oh,
Please fasten your seatbelt now.
I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Good morning. They are serving breakfast now. Para mga 2 hours na lang, we will be landing in Zurich. I'm not sure kung clear yung reception ng sound.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh.
Thank you. Kalaks, we're going to gate A54. Doon yung boarding gate ng ating flight from Zurich to Prague. Medyo malayo din siya kung saan nag-park. Ano ba tawag doon? Yung arrival gate, yon, that's the correct term. Yung arrival gate ng flight namin from Singapore. So we have 30 minutes bago yung boarding time ng flight namin to Prague. So balikan ko kayo pag nakasakay na tayo uli ng plane going to Prague. One last plane before tayo makadating sa ating destination. Tayo papuntag Gate A. Mga kalaks, we made it dito sa Gate A54 ng Zurich International Airport. Grabe mga kalaks, kung magbubook kayo ng flight tas may connecting kayo sa Zurich, huwag kayong mag-book ng 1 hour 15 minutes lang o 1 hour 30 minutes. Siguro gawin nyo yung mga layover nyo dito 2 hours up. Dahil medyo malayo yung arrival gate nga ng flight namin from Singapore via Swiss Air. Tapos ang nakakatawa nun mga kalaks, di ba sa ibang airport, security lang yung dadaanan. Grabe, we didn't expect na pipila kami sa immigration. May immigration pa mga kalaks. Pagdating nyo ng Zurich or ng Switzerland, mag-go through kayo sa immigration process. Pero ang maganda, wala nang security check uli. Ang maganda ng mga kalaks, buzzer beater tayo. Nagbo-board na yung flight namin from Zurich to Prague. Hey mga kalak, so nakapag-check-in na tayo dito sa ating hotel, dito sa may Prague, Czech Republic. Grabe, medyo hassle. Kaya hindi na ako vlog kanina kasi may dalang maleta, kaya mahirap ding mag-video. So mabilis naman mga kalaks yung biyahe from the airport going to the city center. Around mga 30 minutes. So nag-bus 119 lang kami from the airport, tapos metro or subway papunta rito sa hotel namin sa EP Pavlova Station, malapit lang, as in 2 minutes na lakad nandito ka na sa hotel. And now mga kalaks, papunta kami ng city center sa Old Town para magpalit ng money dahil wala kaming check crown pa.